How many of you have done this on accident? I've done it more than I care to share, but how do you fix this without unwinding it? It's pretty simple, actually, as long as you have a pull-through close to you. Grab a new one, loop it through the existing pull-through, pull it down tight, make sure it's nice and taut, and very carefully hold the tag end of the main wrap, because obviously I never figure it out until I've cut it off. And then very slowly pull this through so that you replace the oops pull through that's going the wrong way with the new one. And you just want to get enough of the loop through that you can put your cut thread through, and then just pretend that this never happened and everything was fine from the get-go, and everything still stays the same, where you just pull it through like normal, and we have a beautiful guide at the end that we didn't have to undo. Have a great day.